How to transfer money from Grab to Touch and Go. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Grab to Touch and Go. To start the process, search help.grab.com in your web browser. Now open your Grab app and navigate to the payment section from the home screen. Tap on the transfer button to initiate the transfer process. On the transfer screen, you will see your transferable balance along with different transfer options. To transfer funds to your Touch and Go account, select the appropriate account type. Enter the amount you wish to transfer from your grabpay wallet to Touch and Go. For security purposes, you will need to enter your PIN or use biometric authentication to confirm the transfer. Once you've completed the authentication process, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that the transfer was successful. The time it takes for the transfer to be completed may vary depending on your bank and your region. Check your bank account statement to ensure that the transfer has been successfully completed. However, transfers to other GrabPay wallets will remain free of charge. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.